Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going through Cambridge IGCSE Feb March 2024 paper 3-2. So let's start. The first question that I can see over here is we have a diagram. Draw a line through point P that is perpendicular to line L. So that means at point P we need to have a perpendicular. So we are going to put our protractor here at this point, at point P. So then just draw an angle of 90 degree that is passing through this line, right? So this line is perpendicular to line P through point P, right? Now write down the mathematical names for two different quadrilaterals with the two lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 2. So we will have rectangle and rhombus. Now the diagram shows a quadrilateral on 1 centimeter square grid like this here. So find the area of the quadrilateral. So area, because we are given that this is 1 centimeter square, we are just going to count the number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we will also count because this is more than half. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 full, you can say, plus 1, this is 12. So it's going to be 12 centimeter squares. Next question, we have a diagram from angles here. The diagram shows a quadrilateral DEF G and a straight line FGH. Here the angle DEF is 82. This angle is 82. Write down the mathematical name for this angle. So this angle is an acute angle. So we will just write down acute angle here, right? Now the next one we have, work out the value of x. Give a geometrical reason for your answer. So x is here, right? This one here. So because this is on a straight line, so 180 minus 43 will give you this angle x. So 180 minus 143, it is 37. So x is 37. So we will write down here this is 37 degrees because we will say x and 143 add up to 180 degrees. This is how we can find out the angle, right? Now the next one that we have here is work out the value of y, give a geometrical reason for your answer. Again, for this one y here, we have 4 angles of quadrilateral that are going to add up to 360. So we will add these 3 angles and subtract it from y. So we have y is, we will write down, because y plus 103 plus 143 plus 82 is equal to 360, and then y is equal to 32 comes out from here. So y is 32 degrees because these angles in quadrilateral, we can say angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees, right? Let's see the next question. Question number 2, we have here a fuel. We have fuel here, garage A and garage B. We have $1.41 per liter here, 1.5 per liter here. Tia buys 55 liters of fuel from garage A. Work out the change she receives from $100. So we are going to calculate that one. So from garage A, so be sure that you are taking the value from here. So she buys 55 liters and that is time 1.41. That is the cost of 1 liter, which is 77.55. So the change that she will receive is 100 minus 77.55 0.55, which is 22.45. Right? Now work out how much cheaper it is to buy 20 liters of fuel from garage A than from garage B. So for 20 liters we need to see for both of the fuel stations. For garage A it is 20 times 1.41, and for this one is 22 times 1.50. So this comes out to be $28.2, and this one is $30, right? So what is the difference? So the difference we are going to just calculate. It is 30 minus 28.2, which is 1.80 liters, right? Now these are the amounts of 6 people spend on fuel at garage A. So this is the amount that is spent by 6 people. Calculate the mean number of liters. Be sure. Now this is a bit tricky. So first of all you need to know that the total cost that they have spent. So total amount they spent, is 63 plus 84.50, 72.23 plus 46, 54.10 plus 80. So this total cost is $399.83, right? So we are looking for the cost of for the cost of 1 liter from garage A. So this will be divided by 1.41. So total cost will be 399.83 divided by 1.41, which is equal to 283.57. Now we are looking for the number of liters. So number of liters, you are going to divide it by 6. So because this is the total cost of all the 6 people, we are looking for one person. That will give you the exact answer that we need, which is 47.23. So we can say it is 47.26, 47.3 liters, right? Now the cost of fuel at garage B increases from 1.50 to 1.53. Calculate the percentage increase. First of all we will see how much is increased. So increase is 1.53 minus 1.50, which is 1.53 minus 1.50, 0.03, right? So percentage is going to be 0.03. The original was 1.50 times 100. Once you calculate, this comes out to be 2%. Okay, so now let's move to next question. We have part B here. The fuel tank of a car is 2/5 full. 2/5 full. The tank takes 39 more liters of fuel to fill the tank. Work out the number of liters of fuel in fuel tank, right? So we have this 0. We can say that 2.5 of, he said fuel tank of car is 2.5 full. So let's say the full tank is, let's say the full tank has x liters. So then 2/5x, which is full, plus 39 more liters to fill the tank, plus 39. This gives us as x, right? Now this is an equation. We can just simplify. 2/5x minus x equals to, this is going to be minus 39. So then this is 5 minus 2. This is going to be negative 3. 5 minus 3, 3/5. X minus 39. This minus goes. So we have x equals to 39 times 5/3. So which is 65, right? 65 liters. Okay. Now number C, part C, we have use 1 liter equals to 0.22 gallons to complete this conversion graph. 1 liter equals to 0.22 gallons, right? 1 liter 1 gallon equals to how many liters, right? So from here we are going to have this one, that 1 liter is equal to 0.22 gallons, right? And then we are looking for 10 liters. 10 liter is going to be, we are going to multiply this by 10, it will become 2.2 gallons. Okay, then 20 liters is going to be 4.4 gallons, 30 liter is 5.5. so this is how we will fill this one. So now this complete the conversion graph. First we have to complete the conversion graph here. So we are just going to have here at 1 liter, and this is 10 liter is 2.2 is somewhere here, this is 2.5, so down there, and 20 is 4.4 somewhere here. Then we have 30 is 20 is 4.4, then 30 is 5.5, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5.5. This was 4.5, and 40 is going to be 6.6, then 6.65, then here it will be 6.6 somewhere. So we are going to have this line over here. So just join this line like this. You can use your a ruler, right? Now use 1 liter equals to 0.22 gallons to complete the statement. So we are just going to divide it, because this will be 0.22 here, 0.22, it will give you 1 gallon. So this comes out to be 4.5 liter. 1 divided by 0.22. Now next, a cylindrical tank for storing fuel has radius of 1.5 meters and height of 8 meters. So we have a cylinder having radius of 1.5 meters and height is 8 meters, right? Calculate the volume. So now the volume of the cylinder is pi r squared h. So pi r is 1.5 squared, h is 8. So once you calculate, this is 56.52 liters. So let's move to the next question. I hope you guys are getting everything. So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and I will eagerly wait for your comments in the comment section. So let's move to the next question. We have a question from constructions here. In triangle DEF, DE is given, DF is given. Use a ruler and compass only to construct DEF. Leave your construction lines. So now if you can see, we have all these sides over here. So now let us measure the lines first. We have D. D is going to be somewhere here. So DE is 6 centimeters. So you're just going to have 6 centimeters from here. 6 centimeters like this. And the DF is 4.8. 4.8. So from the other end, 4.8. Now just join these lines to make a triangle. So this is our point D, and this is the triangle DEF, right? So now part B we have here. So write down the letter of the triangle that is congruent to triangle T. So the congruent means that they should have same shape and same size, right? So if I look here, so we can have G and T. They have both 3 units here this way and 3 units on the other side. So they are congruent and they are the same size and shape. Now write down the letter of the triangle that is similar but not congruent to triangle T. So see, we will strike it off one by one. This is congruent, so this cannot be. This is bigger, so this is not. This is different. So now we are left with this. So this is we have two sides here, two squares here, two squares, so E is not possible, D is also not, because this is 2 and half of that is 1, and with this side we have 3, half of 3 is 1.5, so this is also not, so this is 2 and so not, so we are left with F. Now let's just check. So here we have 1 2 3 4 4.5, and this side we have which is 4.5 divided by this side we have 2. Let's see, 4.5 divided by 3, it is 1.5, right? On the other side we have 3 divided by, we have 2 here, which is also 1.5. So the ratio of the sides is same, so this F and T are similar, not congruent. So now let's move to the next question. Part C, we have here, the diagram shows an isosceles triangle. You see, this is an isosceles triangle here. Show that the perpendicular height h is 6.58, correct to 3 significant figures. Now here this is isosceles triangle, so if this is 7, this is going to be 7 over 2, right? 7 over 2. So we will use this triangle. So let me give the name A, B, C. Let's say this is T. So in triangle ABD, we can use SOHCAHTOA here. So you know, we use this SOHCAHTOA. So this one is adjacent over opposite. So that is we can use tan theta, tan 62 will be equals to h over, this is 7 over 2. So from here h is, just shift it to the side, 7 over 2 times tan 62, which comes out to be 6.5825, so approximately 6.58 centimeters, right? That's what we need to prove over here. Now calculate the area of the triangle. You know that the area of triangle is half times base. Base is 7 and height we have just calculated 6.58. So this is 23.03 centimeter squares, right? So there are, you can see there are two spaces, so we need to write unit also. So now another question we have here. Culprit tries to arrange some of these triangles to make a regular polygon with the center O, right? Show that culprit cannot make a regular polygon. So for the exterior angle that we should have, so sorry, not exterior angle, I mean this angle and the middle center, this should add up to 360, right? So let's calculate this angle first. This is 62 plus 62, so 180 minus 62 minus 62, so this is 56. So we got this angle as 56. So this, if this total is 360, so if we divide 360 by 56, let's see, 360 divided by 56, it gives us 6.42, so which is not a whole number, right? Why? If we will have a whole number only, then we have a number of triangles here, so this gives us 6.42, so that means this regular polygon is not possible, right? So now let's move to the next question that we have here. Question number 4. A shop sells 58 televisions in 1 week. The bar chart shows the number of televisions that the shop sells on 5 days. Right? Write down the number of televisions that shop sells on Monday. So for this one we need to calculate this. Let's see. So on Monday if you see, it is 3. We are just going to read it from the graph, right? Find the fraction of the television that shop sells on Sunday. So Sunday, if you see, Sunday we have, it is between 10 and 12, this is 11. So 11 out of total is 58. So 11 over 58 will be the fraction, right? The number of televisions that shop sells on other 2 days in the ratio Wednesday to Friday is 2 to 3. So Wednesday and Friday we don't have that, so we can just take it as first of all, let's see what we are given to find it out. This is 3 and this is 4 and this one is also 4, this is 16 and we have 11. So let's first add all of these. 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 16 plus 11. We have added all these, so which is 38, and the total is 58. So the remaining is going to be 58 minus 38, that is 20. So that means sum of this Wednesday and Friday is 20. So we have the ratio of Wednesday is going to be 2 out of 5, and how much is out of 20? We are looking out of 20. 5 times 4, which is 8, right? And for Friday we have Friday is 3 out of 5 times 20. 5 times 4, this is 12. So Wednesday is 8, right? So write down the mode. That's the next question. First complete the bar chart. So 8. So for Wednesday it's 8. 8 is here. Just draw it here, which is 8, and Friday is 12. 12 is this one here. So this is how we can just complete the chart over here. Right now write down the mode. The mode is like with the maximum frequency. If you see the maximum biggest one is here is Saturday, so we will just write here Saturday. Okay, now next, the television has price of 550. Sorry, this is going to be 16 also there, and the television has price of $550. The price is reduced by 4%. Calculate the new price. So it is reduced by 4, so that means 100 minus 4, which is 96. So 96% of 550 will give the new price. So this is 96 times 96 over 100 times 550. So once you calculate, this comes out to be 528, the new price after reduction. Okay, so let's see what do we have next here. Part C. The scatter diagram shows the prices of different sizes of television. So here is the price, here is the size. Write down the type of correlation. If you see the size is increasing, the price is also increasing. So this is a positive correlation. Right now, Hemang buys 2 television. The probability that television is faulty is 0.02. So complete the tree diagram. So this total probability faulty and not faulty. Not faulty should be 1 minus 0.02. So 1 minus 0.02, it is 0.98. So this is 0.98. Then again faulty, second time again is this is faulty, again faulty is going to be 0.02, not faulty 0.98. then not faulty is first it is not faulty 0.98, then faulty is again 0.02, and this is going to be 0.98, right? This is how we will complete it. Find the probability that Hemang buys 2 faulty televisions. So faulty here and faulty here. So we are just going to multiply this 0.02 times 0.02, which is 0.0004, right? I think that's it for this video. Remaining question we are going to do in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next video. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Be blessed guys.